Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Audi A1 S Line. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol turbo engine with a manual gearbox, producing 120 brake horsepower but still returning up to 52 miles per gallon. The car comes with a full service history and the mileage is just over 41,000 miles. As you can see, the Daytona Grey metallic paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, you see on the S Line you get a few nice features. So you've got the half leather seats there with the logo in the centre, which is a nice little touch. You've also got the leather steering wheel as well. A couple of more features worth mentioning. You've got the climate control there in the centre with the Bluetooth for your phone, and this car also comes with automatic headlights and wipers. Being the 5-door, you've got good access into the rear there. Again, with the half leather seats going through the rear as well. Opening the tailgate, you'll see you've got the height adjustable floor there, so you can either hide items underneath or lower it completely for the extra space, and also the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf are still in place. Externally, you have the S Line body kit and front and rear bumpers, 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years. And we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.